This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Welcome to this fabulous home. This well-designed open floor plan features 4-bedroom and 2 full baths, a beautiful fully equipped kitchen with breakfast bar, grand living room, magnificent master suite with 2 walk-in closets, his and her sinks, jacuzzi tub and separate shower. All this plus an awesome deck on 1.18 acres of land. You can choose Anacoco or Leesville Schools. This home is just down the road from Vernon Lake Boat Launch. Don't let this home pass you by without living so close to the lake. Please call your Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group today to view this spectacular home. For more information, review the details below.